go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright guys, we're out for a morning hunt. It's October, let me look real quick. It's October, I think, the 7th. Yeah, it's October the 7th. It's just now 7:26. We got in here right about 6:40, like right breaking day. We were getting in a little bit late. We got good and set up. We're kind of hidden by this oak tree and kind of surrounded by a few little things. We're just gonna sit here. The hopes is we got some acorns, trees dropping right in front of us. If they want to come in and check out some acorn trees, wind's blowing this way. We just came into this rut funnel because we had this first cold front come through, see if any of the bucks are searching on through. And pretty much kind of just made a shallow sit in case a doe comes through. We can pop a doe and not have to worry about being too far into the spot. But we're just barely into the rut funnel. We're poking into it. So we should be catching just a little bit of movement if some bucks are wanting to move this morning. So hopefully we'll get plenty of stuff on footage for y'all. And we'll stick around and show y'all what comes through. Alright guys, we've had a total of at least 3 deer come through. The first 2 busted me. I didn't ever see the one ahead of the other one that I saw. There was one ahead of the one that I saw, and I never saw her. And I could really only see their legs where they were at. And then about 30 minutes later, another one, I could see its legs kind of move through, and I'm not sure where it went. I think it probably worked off. It's been still and quiet enough long enough that I'm pretty sure that they worked off. But we're going to sit here a bit longer and see if anything else moves through for y'all. Alright guys, nothing else has came through. It's almost 10 o'clock. We're gonna sit here for a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna start gathering stuff up and get back. I'm starting to get ready for some breakfast, and we'll get back out with y'all this afternoon. Alright guys, I'm back. I thought there was something moving over there. It's just a squirrel. But, we'll get back to y'all this afternoon. And remember, if y'all are liking it, remember to subscribe and stick around. But we're gonna sit here a few more minutes. If anything comes through, we'll show y'all. But other than that, we're gonna be gathering our stuff up and getting out of here.